everyone. We are at the 10th edition of SAIMA at the red carpet in the evening. With us, we have most handsome Shine Shetty sir. So, okay, hello, welcome to the SAIMA red carpet.
Thank
And
you
you're
so
looking absolutely no, handsome. I mean, I'm running out of the words. I don't know what to talk. See, looking at you, I forgot everything. But definitely, okay, thank you so much. Coming to the 10th edition of SAIMA, I mean, how excited are you to see the programs?
I'm very excited, and it's a great honor for Bangalore that the 10th edition of SAIMA is happening in Bangalore, and it's a great privilege for me because for the first time I'm being a part of SAIMA,
Oh,
and
wow,
that too,
amazing.
and that too in Bangalore. Yeah.
Many more SAIMA awards to come to you. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಹೌ ಆಫನ್ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ?
ಇವಾಗಷ್ಟೇ ನಾವು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿನೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ.
ಅಮೇಜಿಂಗ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಊಟಿ.
ಊಟಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೇವರೇಟ್ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು?
ನನ್ನ ಫೇವ್ರೆಟ್ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್ ಹಿಮಾಚಲ್.
ಹಿಮಾಚಲ್ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಮೇಜಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಹಿಮಾಚಲ್ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್ಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹೌ ಆಫನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತೂ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ
ಓಕೆ,
ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ನೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ನ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಇಂದ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್. ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ದೇ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ 100% ರೀಫಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ದ ಟಿಕೆಟ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ನೌ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಆಫನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಸೈಮಾಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, 10ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ನು, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೈಮಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಆ್ಯಡೆಡ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು.
Exactly.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯು ಫಾರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಟು ಮೀ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್, ಒಂದು ಸಾಲು.
ಉಳಿಸಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿ.
That's amazing. Thank you so much. It was lovely having you here. Thank you so much. Have
Same
a
here.
great evening. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we have with us the handsome Tovino. Tovino, it's such a delight to watch you on stage. You are so handsome and the current favorite star amongst all the Malayalis. Congratulations to that and welcome to SAIMA. So I want to know your 3 favorite destinations in the world, maybe a place you've already traveled or would like to travel.
Uh, like I want to travel all around the world, so that's in my bucket list. But it's not happening anytime soon. But still, I've traveled few countries, and I loved Rishikesh the most. It was very peaceful. Yeah.
And which are the 2 more places?
Two more places. Two more places. I love my home. Okay, that's where I go the least nowadays. So, and like I'm not prepared for such questions and answers. I'm sorry.
Okay, if you had to take 2...
Thinking about my favorite things only when someone asks me.
Okay. Okay, if you had to take 2 stars with you, 2 male stars from 2 different industries where you have not worked before, who would it be and why?
I want to work with everyone. I'll do
If you have to take 2 stars with you on a trip.
these questions. I don't have answers for this. Like I haven't ever thought about it.
Okay, if you have to perform with a star in SAIMA in the coming years, who would you like to perform with?
Perform as in
On stage.
on stage. What performance? Dance performance? You mean?
Anything.
Tell me a star who doesn't dance. Because I don't dance. I want
Who would you like to dance with?
Hey, I don't dance. So, if I get a someone who doesn't know dance at all, I know little bit dance, so I can dominate.
It's a pleasure to have you here and we wish you all the best and I hope you win lots of awards in the coming years in SAIMA and keep rocking. Thank you so much.